Sir, you are saying that the screen is very small, it is very minute, I am not able to see. That is your point, isn't it, sir? This waveform part alone you want a little bit bigger, only the waveform. No. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, tomorrow I will open that PSCAD system, sir. PSCAD. Yes, sir. That we will do, sir. Sir, what I am doing is, sir. I will tell you, sir. Sir, what we are doing is the power system model which you have given. That model I am repeating it here, sir. The same model with the transformer and transmission lines. Same model I am drawing it in PSCAD. Then in the switchgear side, that happens to be the sending end side. In the sending end side, I am measuring two parameters: sending end voltage, sending end current. Okay, so only two parameters, no other measurement. Inside in this entire block diagram, only two parameters we need to measure. One is the sending end voltage, the other one the sending end current. That's all. Sir, a little bit louder, sir. How many? Sir, what is the model for the fuse? That is your question. Sir, for all the fuses, the same model only I am utilizing. No different for all the fuses, the same model. How many fuses I have used in the model? That is your question. Sir, little bit louder, sir. Number of fuses you are asking. Sir, tomorrow I will check again, then I will reply this question, sir. Number of fuses, tomorrow I will reply you, sir. Sir, modeling of fuse, how I do is, fuse as per as this model, it is a comparator which compares the current, then triggers a breaker. Sir, you understood this point, sir? Fuse, as far as our model is concerned, fuse I am modeling it as a comparator, then a delay circuit. A comparator, then a delay circuit. That is the model for fuse. Comparator, then a delay logic. I should give the reference paper, no? I told you I will show you the reference paper, no? Which paper I am following. Just a minute, sir. Sir, in the reference paper itself, they are mentioning one company. I remember it is Kernot something. So for that company, fuse, time delay for 10 amps current, the time delay is between 1 to 5 seconds. So I am taking 1 second time delay. Just a minute, sir. Sir, hello. Sir, for time being, you remember these 2 points alone, sir. A comparator with time delay. So, what is the proof for this model? I will give you. Today only, after 10 minutes, I will email you. Which paper I am referring? Just a minute. Sir, to some extent, can you see one transient, sir? This is the current transient during fault. Sir, there are two waveforms. The top one, that is the current. The bottom one, that is the, sir, I don't get you, sir. This is, sir, you mean to say that it is not coming as a pure sinusoidal wave? That is your question, isn't it, sir? Okay, sir, I will do one thing, sir. Sir, no problems, sir. Tomorrow in PSCAT, the same waveform you can zoom and see, sir, whether current is sinusoidal or not. Sir, I think that. Sir, I think I am troubling you, sir. What I should do is first PSCAT I will show you, sir, how the modeling is done. What is the shape of current? I will show you, sir. Then we proceed the discussion. That will be good, isn't it, sir? Because I am going in another track. That track is disturbing you. You are finding that this model is working Sir, little bit louder, sir. Sir, your voice is very low, sir. Now it's audible, sir. Tell me, sir. Sir, this here we are getting current waveform, no, sir. The transient during fault we are getting, no. This current transient I will record in PSCAT. The record or store, or I will store this transient in PSCAT. The stored value I will call back in MATLAB. Is it clear, sir? Sir, your question is, sir, this is not a pure sinusoidal wave. That is your question, isn't it, sir? Yes, sir. Actually, it is a transient. During fault, what happens is a transient. That transient, I am using neural network. I am training a neural network system with that transient. So the neural network system learns what is that transient representing, whether it is A phase fault or B phase fault or C phase fault. And once the system is trained, that is, it is like machine learning, no? Once the system is trained, thereafterwards, if you feed any sample related to the type of fault, it will identify whether it is fault or no fault. Again, it will classify the type of fault. Yes, I agree, sir. In mail also you mentioned, sir, first step for any fault identification is the classification. Only after you classify the fault, then only you do the location. So that's why I am giving in two parts. One is classification, another part is location. Yes, location also completed. Sir, our system, it is containing, as per the model, we are having 3 transmission segments. So 3 different locations of faults I have simulated. Fault location 1, fault location 2, fault location 3. Yes, this is adequate, sir. Sir, fault location, no, fault location 1 means that is containing 40 samples. Fault location 2 means that is containing another 40 locations. You are going to run the coding, no? When you run the coding, you will understand that. Sir, coding 40 samples itself, the coding will be very slow, sir. If you have more number of samples, the algorithm should run and complete, no? You get the point, sir. So if some 40 samples I have used, maybe another 50 or 60 samples you can use. And sir, again, sir, one sample means it is containing 100 points. This transient, no, this current transient. So this is the input for the neural network. Already the sample space is very large, so that I have reduced it, and after sampling, after reducing the size of the samples only, we are having each input 1 means that is having 100 points. So like that, 40 different input sets for each location. I repeat again, sir. Three locations, sir. 3 locations, sir. Sir, I will note down this question, sir. Tomorrow only I can answer you, sir. Fault location 1, where it is, sir. Why, sir? Voice is very low, sir. I am not able to hear. Just a minute, sir. Sir, the program, no, sir. I will send. I will send you 3 files, sir. Fault 1, fault 2, fault 3. Three zip files. What you should do is, the zip files you should extract and create folders like this. Fault 1, that is one folder. Oh, I am not sharing the screen. Just a minute. What I have given you, know, you should create folders like this. Fault 1 is one folder. Inside that, some files are there. Then fault 2 is another folder. Fault 3 is another folder. So this is first location, second location, third location. Sir, if you open fault 1 file, just a minute. Sir, you will have files like this. So inside this folder you should open, sir. Sir, can you see this file? Test 44. Sir, this you should take one printout. This is the file I am going to teach you. Sir, now if I teach you, can you note down, or if you take one printout, in the printout itself you can write everything. How you want to do, sir? Once again I should send this, sir. Just a minute, sir. Sir, in MATLAB, for the project, only this file. Other files are all additional files. They are not important. Yeah. Okay. You will remember, sir. Not issue. Sir, if you want time, today you take time, sir. Print out tomorrow also I can teach you. Not issue. One more class also, another 2 class also I can handle for you. But sir, any coding this for your presentation or for your thesis. This is the important coding. PSCAD, I am sure that you will pick up, sir. In PSCAD, the issue will not come. Just if I show you, then you can manage. How you want to do, sir? Otherwise, recording is there. No, from the recording you will follow, no, sir. Screen recording I am doing now. No, from that you can follow. Can I proceed now, sir? I can teach you. No. Okay. That is there, sir. CLC. This is the first command for MATLAB. Clear the screen. Clear all the already stored variables. Then file name, sir. What I am doing is I am calling a file called lgfault101.out. Yeah. From PSCAD, the transient, it is recorded in a file. That file I am calling in MATLAB. From this up to this, that is the work done. Is it clear, sir? Then in that file, what I am doing is I am selecting one particular matrix. Sorry, one particular column number 2. Can you see here, sir? Column number 2. Sir, column number 2, from that, sir, actually I am opening that file. I am saving it as a structure called A. Can you see here, sir? A is the structure which stores the transient data imported from PSCAD. So in that structure, I am interested in column number 2. Can you see here, sir? Column number 2. Column number 2, that is the current. Not P current. All the values of current samples. Sir, I repeat again. Okay. Sir, don't think the RMS value. This is not a meter. This is a like continuous values. All the samples you feed. Okay. Then, sir, current. All the current values, they are stored here. Current is equal to these samples. Then similarly, column number 5, that is the voltage. Sir, can you see, sir? This part is to record the voltage. Then voltage divided by current, we get the impedance. Sir, impedance, I am using it as the measure to locate the distance of fault. Is it clear, sir? So what I am finding here I am finding yes, sir. Again I am telling you, sir, don't mistake me. This is not a individual RMS value. It is a continuous data. 10,000 points, 50,000 points, like that. Okay, sir. So now we have say 50,000 impedance values. So what I am doing is, now I am creating the sample 1 to 100, impedance value 1 to 100, that is called sample 1. Then again sampled 101 to 200, that is sample 2. Like this I am creating 40 different samples. So I have created 40 samples, sir. Sir, among the 40 samples, sir, this region, no, from 1000 up to 2000, these samples represent the impedance during fault. uh, sir, sir, in PSCAD we are creating a timed fault. Uh, anyway, sir, the same question once again we will discuss on PSCAD. Why it is at this time alone? That is your question, isn't it, sir? Okay. Same question. When we come to PSCAD, once again we will discuss, sir. Okay, sir. So other samples, they represent a no fault condition. Then, sir, what I am doing is, sir, this part, this is just a way to input the samples, all the fault samples, how to input, that I am doing it here. Input, sir, for neural network I am defining two things. One is the input, other one is the target. So input, that is from the samples. From the samples I am preparing the input matrix. Then target, sir, input there are 40 samples, in target also there are 40 samples. 40 samples means 40 rows. Target is the expected output. For input 1, what is the expected output? Expected output is all zeros. All zeros means it is no fault. Similarly, say for sample 11, the target is 100. It means that there is a fault in A phase, B phase and C phase, no fault. Sir, you get the point, sir. Sir, neural network, it is a learning mechanism. First, we should train the system with our data. This target value I am feeding. Sir, normal computer program, if you write the program, you give the input, you run. Neural network, you write the program, then next step, you train the program with known examples. So yes. 11, 12, 13, 14, these are all fault data. So that way I am feeding as input. Sir, once, yes. Sir, after properly training the neural network, any sample data you can give us input. Among this, I told you, sir, 40 samples are there. Among the 40 samples, any one you can feed as input and see whether you are getting the correct answer or not. So, sir, again I repeat, for neural network programs, you need to define the training set or training data. Both, sir. Sir, these 40 samples, that is the input and the target. Both you need to give us input. So this is the target. Sir, neural network program is not big. Program, it is available in the MATLAB toolbox. So we are calling the algorithm already available in MATLAB. So that is this part. Yes. Sir, neural network, many algorithms are there. I am using the feed forward network. Hopkins network is there, then Bayesian networks are there, many different types of networks are there, then perceptron is there. So among them you should read about the feed forward network. So once you read about feed forward network, the other things will all come under it. If you study feed forward network, there one line will be mentioned. For feed forward network, you should select this algorithm for training. So what is the name of the algorithm? Everything I will give you. Just you go through that. That's all. Okay, sir. Sir, after running this program, if training is completed, then to check the program, that also is simple. Just a minute, sir. Sir, this alone you remember, sir. What I have given? A is equal to net sample 19. Here, net sample 19. If you want to use sample 19 and test this network, just you feed this command and see what result you get. That's all. Okay, sir. Is it clear? Sir, this now what I told, that is the only one program. The same sequence will be repeated for all the 6 folders which I give you. Sir, I repeat again. In Sir, this coding will identify fault present in location 1. Sir, I repeat again. Sir, all the 3 codings you can mix together, that way also you can run. I repeat again, this coding is for fault identification in location 1. Similarly, another set of sample we have, that same thing, same network I have trained for identifying fault in location 2. Sir, you get the point. Then sir, if you have doubts you should ask, otherwise I will go to the next part. Okay. Sir, now that we were discussing about fault location, another section is there, that is called classification. Sir, again, sir, you are using different terms, sir. Classification means okay, sir. Sir, for classification also, algorithm, everything is the same. Same algorithm will work for all the things. The only thing is that again input also same. Which sample you feed, that only is different. Okay, sir. Just a minute. Sir, just a minute, sir. This I will do one thing. This recording I will stop. Just a minute.